If you would like to change your Facebook account in Monopoly Go, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So for that you have to launch your Monopoly Go application and make sure that you are logged into your specific Monopoly Go account. You can simply disconnect your Facebook account from here itself, but I'm going to show you even a simpler method. So first thing first, you have to access your settings, scroll all the way below, and here tap on Apps button. At this section, you will see all the applications that you have downloaded in your device. Here you have to specifically search for Monopoly Go. Tap once you see it. Scroll below, tap on Storage. And here you have to clear the data. As soon as you clear the data, this application will ask you to re-log in or simply connect a new Facebook account. So let's go ahead, tap Delete. Wait for this to load, and now let's go ahead, open our Monopoly application. Now this looks like as if you have just installed Monopoly Go for the first time in your device. Now you may go ahead, select your age, tap I agree, and now here it says play with friends. And now tap onto it of Facebook that says play with friends and connect your new Facebook account. Just like so, this is how you can change your Facebook account in Monopoly Go. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.